Hey friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to track order in Kakobuy. So friends, in this case, if you have any order, you have purchase order, just go to order section. When you go to this order section, you will see this option, friends. You will see your all order details. Click on all this one, click this order from here. You will see your purchase order number from here, and then you will see all details such your order name, and then click this icon, download icon. From this option, you can track your order and you can see your order state, every state from your order. So guys, and just click, you can also use Google to track order. Click on Kakobuy track order, scroll down. If you don't see this one, you can use shipping tracking feature. This restarted. From here, follow these simple steps to track your order, or you can use track order on Google track order, and then click on this one. If you have a DHL or something like this, you can use this application to track your order details. Such write your order number, and then you can start tracking your order. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this